which is bothering for a lot of parents, that is recurrent cough. But the way that you can protect it is, if you are having a cough either because of pollution or either because of some reaction that is happening to all the smoke and smog that we are inhaling, you can actually clean the nose, rinse the nose, something which our ancients told us, which is Jal Neti or Neti gel, which you can actually use to cleanse the nose. Now, doing Jal Neti is a trick. So nowadays you have commercially available nasal washes that are titled by various names out there in the market that can help you clean up the nose so that the impact of all this pollution and suspended particulate matter comes down, and it can protect your nose, prevent it from going into sinusitis, and also protect you from cough.